So you've purchased our flagship model, the ET-18100. This is an A3 printer with 6 colours. It can do A4, A3 and A3+, and offers high definition printing. Now in this bundle you'll get the brand new ET-18100. You'll need to remove the blue tape before setting it up. You'll also have your paper, whichever one you've selected, included in the bundle. You'll have an A3 size, whichever model it might be. We also have the Inktek Sublimation inks, a set of 6 including your light cyan and light magenta, 6 easy refill bottles from Ink Experts to make it a bit more easier to fill the printer up. You have your power cable and USB cable, which we recommend for connection rather than wireless. You then also get your instruction sheets on how to set up the printer and also how to set up and download your ICC profiles. And now these models are compatible with both Windows and with Mac.